Moral about male erectile dysfunction and his experience in speaking with other men that he's able to share some things with us. That's important for us as women to know, and men, if some of you out there are listening to this, important to know on how to handle these some things and what people go through emotionally, psychologically, and what some of us women feel.
Person and honesty and stuff like that, because they've seen other men get teased by it and stuff like that. So that would be my guessing on some of the reasons why some men don't express it.
Okay, if when a man has male erectile dysfunction, how does he want a woman to respond? If he has issues with that and is part of that situation, yeah, what does he want to hear from us?
Me personally, and I'm loving this lady, and and if I had it, and I'm gonna tell her, hey, I have this, and I want her to try to understand. She may not understand because she's not going through it, but you want to communicate and you want to educate yourself. Me personally, I just got lucky because I have friends that knew about it, so I'm probably ahead of the game. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you want that spouse or that next person, because you could be talking about your wife, you could be talking about your future girlfriend, whatever it may be, because you want to have that. Everybody goes off the love, but love, you got to have the other ingredients to make that cake taste good. You know what I'm saying? You got to have that trust, that communication. You got to be able to let them know what you're going through. And some people will be accepted to it, and some people won't. So it's a chance you may have to take, and that's why some of the men don't express it.
Okay. And when a man expresses that, if he does come out, because is it in some ways like when there were first lesbians, or what some people call gays, or people that like people of the same sex, it was called coming out of the closet.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the same way men feel with male erectile dysfunction?
I don't know if we can compare that to the same, because I think some people, some people say, oh, I was born gay. Or, there's people that 19, 20 years old and a female and had a baby.